So let me show you why CT1 is so incredible, why tradespeople love it, why also DIY people love it, those who know. So this is construction unique sealant and adhesive, right? So imagine this, we are applying this overhead. There is a big chance that with conventional one, it's gonna drip down, but it doesn't happen with CT1. So look at this, no matter what position I'm applying, it stays over there. I can even stack it up to 50 mil and still stays over there. Okay?
Like a meringue.
Exactly. What makes CT1 so unique? CT1 contains no solvents, no isocyanates. What does it do for you, for your customers? Two things. First, the smell is very, very mild as opposed to conventional one. It doesn't have the strong vinaigrette smell. So when it helps them, when they are working in small confined areas or even in a house where people are already living, there are kids, animals and stuff, it doesn't affect others, yeah? But the biggest advantage of the fact that it contains no solvent is that this is guaranteed never to shrink or crack. What I'm gonna do, despite the fact we've got cheap plastic and 100% wet environment, I'm gonna apply some CT1, hold it still. Okay, so first thing you see, no floating whatsoever, it stays over there. Imagine for a second that we are under the sink around the leaking trap in a place that is hard to reach in general, yeah? With CT1, that's not an issue. I can basically spread it all over, easy to spread. So if I would have a silicone on my finger, I would have a problem to remove it. But because it's CT1, job done. Now watch this. Can you see the blade inside?
Yeah.
Still doing the job, yeah? Not only this, but if we're dealing with a leak already, so for example, leaking gutters, yeah? Up until now you didn't have a solution. Now you have it, watch this. So we've got a leak and we've got something that is gonna fix it straight away. Can you lift it up and see how heavy that is? Heavy?
Yes. That's so good.
What we're gonna do, we're gonna take a pavement brick, dip it in the water, yeah? What I'm gonna do then is, I'm gonna apply some CT1 when it's fully submerged in the water. And then I'm gonna put some MDF on top, yeah? A little bit of massage. Are we ready? Yeah? Thank you. You see, it's so fresh, but it's doing the job. Now, would you like to hear something incredible? This will cure faster in a wet environment than in dry environment.